Hi, this is Donna with Donna's Products. I bought this Chefman Turbo Fry air fryer, and I want to see how it works. I'm going to fry some chicken today. I have prepared my chicken in a bowl. With fried chicken, you probably want to go over it just a little bit, pour a little bit of oil on it to get that crispiness. But you plug it up, and we are going to set it for chicken right here, the chicken button. We'll open the drawer, and you can spice your chicken any way you want to. So we're going to put 2 pieces in there, and we're going to press start after we get it in there, and it'll tell us when to turn the chicken over. So we're going to close the drawer, and we're going to press start. And we'll come back in just a little bit when it says to turn the chicken over, and we'll see how it looks. We'll check it when it beeps again and see how our chicken looks. Our chicken is nicely fried, and it is ready to plate. So I'm going to give this air fryer a thumbs up, and I hope you will too. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.